you tryna be cute with no lashes on? Heard you call yourself a hot girl with them plastics on. Said he acting up and girl, put them lashes on.
Hey y'all, it's Justus and I am back with another video. So this time we're doing a flyer, you know what I'm saying? So if you want to create a flyer, you got a sale coming up, you want to do a sale, you want to do a 4th of July sale, whatever it is, grand opening, whatever it is, you just want to let them know your prices if you want a flyer. That's what we're doing. So we're going to go into the PicsArt. I just showed you which one I chose. So, you know, boom. You can press the arrow, press edit, go to stickers, bam. So found this cute little lash with the diamonds in it. You know, I've been doing this Luscious Minx brand. It's not my business. My business is way more, but I created that just so that, you know, I can play around with different things outside of what I already do. And then I saw these little rectangles with glitter in them. I thought they were cute. And I think I just clicked in rectangle frames and the stickers, and it showed me that one. And then I got these diamond edges because the theme of this company, Luscious Minx, not my brand, is diamonds. So boom, we got the diamonds going. So I'm gonna put those around the edges, and then I'm going to add the minks. And I was looking and I was like, I really could have made this a part of the logo when I made the logo. If you want to see me make the logo, that is about 3-4 videos ago, so you can go back and watch that. You can go watch me make business cards for this brand, and now I'm doing flyers. I'm gonna do some thank you cards. I just got a lot of different things I'm gonna do just so I can play around. Might even create a whole new thing so that I could just start over with something other than lashes. I might do a whole nother thing. So bam. Now I'm gonna go in and right now I'm just sizing them up so they look alike. Again, if you're trying to move one item and another item keeps getting in your way, click that little layer button at the top and it'll let you move it down and get it out your way. So now I am adding the logo. There we go, that's our logo. Sizing it up, making sure it look, you know, cohesive, just as tilted as the lashes are. I was like, that could have been the logo. That could have been the logo, period. Okay, so then I found this rectangle, but it don't match. It's pink, right? So you go to adjust, you go to the hue, and you do blue. And then you go to saturation, you take it all the way down, because blue is kind of like gray. If you ever dye hair, you know that like blue can be gray. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah. So, which I don't know, maybe any color can be gray, but I know for a fact blue can be gray. So that's why I did that, and then I'm just gonna do that. Got the multiple, boom, and I did size everything up again. I'm sorry, told y'all know how this memory thing is. Like my thing was like, I can't save the video or something. My screen recording wouldn't save the video, so I had to do it again, and then it's kind of sized up differently, but it's okay. Same steps, I just sized it up a little bit different. And then yeah, we got the 3 lines. So we are using 2 apps today. We are using PicsArt, which we're in right now. We're gonna use Phonto because I wanted to make my fonts a little cohesive. I made the Luscious Minx logo in Phonto, so those fonts are not on the PicsArt app, and you don't want to have like 50 different fonts. It's just not cute, so don't do that. Alrighty, so now we're gonna save it, and more is saved. Make sure you save it, because if you don't save it, you're gonna start all the way over, and we don't want that. We don't want that. So we're going into the Phonto app. We're gonna pull up our flyer we're making right now. Boom. And we're gonna add the text. So I'm just imagining that this business has 3 things that they want to put on the flyer. You don't want your flyer to be very crowded. You don't want your flyer to be hard to read, hard to understand. It's way too busy. You don't want it to be boring, but you want to make sure that you get to the point, you catch the attention, and you get to the point. So catch the attention, but get to the point, if you get what I'm saying. Okay, so playing around with the fonts and trying to find out what I actually want to say on here. And as you guys can see, you have to play around with it and try to stick with the same fonts you used before. I think that's the, was it lavender or something like that? It started with an L. It's like lavender regular. That is the cursive. And then the other one started with a C. You're going to see it more than likely on here, but I just wanted to let you know that. So other than that, I do have some more videos coming soon. I know for a fact that I have like a Dollar Tree haul coming because I went and bought a whole lot of stuff. I am doing some revamping to my business and I'm gonna revamp my website. I'm gonna show you guys me revamping my website. I am going to also start doing my lip gloss mixing videos soon. I have a unboxing. I've spent like upward close to $500 on some inventory to revamp my business because we all in the house, so this was time to plot and plan and scheme, baby. So yeah, that's coming too. I don't know, I just have a lot of things coming. Somebody actually asked me for the website video. That is coming, sis. I got you. I just had to get to the point of I gotta get my new inventory in and, you know, take inventory pictures if I can. I have a video already on how I take my pictures for inventory. I can do another video like that because obviously that never gets old. You need ideas to take pictures. I just got a lot of stuff going right now. I got my hand in a whole lot of fires, so you already know what's going on with that. If you haven't noticed though, the intro though, the intro says that's me. That's my new single. It's gonna be coming soon. You know what I'm saying? I've been working on that too. That's my new project or whatever. So, you know, we got a lot going on. We doing this. Yes, sis. I love it. I just love it so much. I love what I do. So that is why I have been trying to drop these consistently, at least giving you at the very least 2 videos a week. I'm trying to really, you know, drop my videos more often. I know I took a hiatus for about a month or so, but that's because I was remodeling my house and had to tear my floors out and all type of stuff. And if you want to see footage of that, I have footage of that and I can post that too. Yeah, so we just got a lot coming on this channel. If you're not subscribed, make sure that you do subscribe. Make sure that you do give a thumbs up to the videos that you like, so I know that I need to keep making videos like those. And if you have any suggestions, I'm so sorry, my bad. If you have any suggestions, then, you know, put those in the comment section below so that I can drop those videos for you. If you're like stuck on something, you're busy, you're just having a hard time, just let me know. I try to get the videos out quickly when somebody asks me for them, except for the one about the website because that's going to take a little bit longer. I'm waiting on my inventory. But other than that, somebody asks me for a video, I try to drop that next. So yeah, that's enough of me rambling. Now you can see the fonts. So you see that's the font that I went with for the cursive, and that was the font that I went with for the numbers that we're about to do now. So I just had to make up some prices and I just wanted them to look cute on the page. So girl, I don't know. Don't base your pricing off of this because very well I could be really cheating you right now. I don't even know. Like $5 might be a bad price. It might be a good price for whatever type of lashes you have, or it could be a bad price if you got some really good lashes. So don't pay me no mind. I was gonna do 12, but 12 didn't look cute. I'm just trying to find something that looks cute. Because again, this is not my business. So these are not my prices. But yeah. So we're just getting the prices together. We're actually almost finished, y'all. Well, we got a little bit more pedazzle to do, but we're almost finished with the Phonto app. So I'm just coming up with some prices right now. I'm gonna put those on there. You see, I'm trying to make the text fonts, however, cohesive with how my logo is. I try to keep with the diamond theme. Don't want to confuse your customer. If you have a theme, it's best to stay with your theme. So every time they see it, they know it's you. Like, branding is key. Branding is key. You want them to know that's you. If somebody steals your brand, steals your, you know what I'm saying, what you got going, they're gonna be like, because that was Luscious Minx. You feel me? Even though I don't know who owns Luscious Minx. I don't even know if that's a real company. But you get what I am saying. You picking up what I'm putting down. So yeah, those are the text. And if you can't, on Phonto, it's a little bit tricky about trying to get them all the same. But the easy thing is, if you press like move or tilt, it shows you a number. So if you put them all at the same exact number, then you know for sure that you did it perfect. Okay. So yeah, I'm just playing around with it, trying to get it cute, trying to get it perfect. You don't have to do exactly this. I always try to tell y'all what y'all could have did instead of this. So let me think. You could have not slanted everything and made it just easy on yourself and not slant everything. But I just kind of wanted to slant it to kind of, I don't know, grab the eye a little bit. Not go with the so normal left to right reading. You know, kind of catch attention a little bit better. I am thinking we're going to add the Instagram name. I think that's what I'm doing now. Girl, don't ask me. I did it, and now I'm recording like my voice later. So, child, I'm trying. Yeah, so that's the made up Instagram name. You know, the Luscious Minx, because I see that a lot. If you want to follow me on Instagram, my Instagram is shop.LEAMORE. It'll be down in the description box below. All of my Instagrams, I have 3. I have a personal, I have a business, I have a makeup one because I am a makeup artist. Oh, if you want me to make like makeup, like a makeup logo, if you're a makeup artist, or you know, you want me to make like makeup flyers, makeup business cards, something like that, I can do that as well, because I did make all of that for my makeup. I try my hardest to be simple. I want to be simple so bad. I want to have my makeup and my business cohesive and just have it all on one business card, but sometimes it just doesn't work. So if you need me to make that, I can for you as well. This is the made up website. Don't go to that website. That might not even be a website. It might though, but I just made that up. So yeah. Add that to the bottom. But then I was like, wait a minute, everything is gray and black and blah. You know what we need to do? We need to add that little Pepto-Bismol pink back up in there. Boom. Bam. Cohesiveness. I am just so playful. But yeah, just keep your colors. Whatever your colors is, write them down. Know what your colors are. Now, if you got a rainbow company, that's cool. Do you. But it's best to have colors, you know, so that when you go on your page, you want your aesthetics to be correct. You want to make sure that everything flows on your page. It doesn't just look all out of whack. You know, you don't want to have pictures of you in the hood with your homegirls. You want to have everything on there looking right. You want all your colors to be right. You feel me? So, yeah. Still messing with the tilt because I did not like how it didn't look cohesive. I don't know. I'm a perfectionist, y'all. It still don't look right. I'm probably going to change it again. I'm a perfectionist. Oh, look. I'm changing it again. And then I was like, okay, y'all can see it's missing something, right? So, I was trying to think, like, what should I do? So I'm saying that I sell lashes, I sell lash packs, and I sell lip gloss. So I have lashes at the top. You know, I don't want to just put lashes all over the page. It's kind of, I don't know, too much. I could have put a picture of a lash pack. So in real life, you want to take your product pictures and put them on here. Okay? I think you would still have to go to the PicsArt app. I don't think you can add a picture on here from Phonto. You may be able to, actually. I'm not. You can. My bad. You can. But because this ain't my business. So Luscious Minx don't have no products I can add on her. I had to go to the PicsArt app and they have product pictures on there. Don't do that though. Like, you can, I guess, but you want to be honest. You know, if you show some purple lip gloss on your flyer and they like, oh my goodness, I want that purple lip gloss, and you don't have no purple lip gloss, what you gonna do? So don't do that. But I'm just going to show you for demonstration purposes how, you know, you should add your product picture. So usually when you take the product picture, you want to take it with a pretty solid background. I would suggest white, unless the product white and then do black or something. And if you have an eraser app, you could do that. Or if it's like a pretty solid square box, rectangle box for your lashes or something like that, then you really could just crop the picture down, and then add it on top to your flyer. It's a couple of different ways you can add it in there. Or you, like I said, you could do the eraser app, erase the background. I don't have the eraser app because I don't do that. That sounds like a lot of work. When I see people doing that, I be like, that is a lot of work, and I don't like to do that. I'm lazy. But anyways, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and add that picture. Okay, so we add the picture, position it right there. Didn't want to do too much. You already got lashes. Could have added a lash pack if you wanted to. You got your shop now. You got your code to use on your website. You got your website. You got your Instagram. You got your prices. You got your logo. Save that. That's your flyer. So yeah, make sure you give this video a like, a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for the more content. I really do love you guys. You guys stay blessed. Keep your head up out there, sis. You know what I'm saying? Period.